all want the fountain of youth. This treatment, commonly known as a vampire facial, claims that the secret to looking younger is running right through your veins.
I was a little scared and skeptical in the beginning.
And for good reason, as this treatment Maria Cuevas was looking to get is called PRP skin rejuvenation, also widely known as a vampire facial. It just involves your own blood in this pen with tiny needles on the end of it.
I was looking for something that will help shrink my pores a little bit and help with some fine lines.
To get that look, Maria didn't want to use Botox or fillers.
Very, very on the natural side of things.
PRP was the answer for Maria. PRP stands for Platelete Rich Plasma, to promote healing using a patient's own blood. PRP's promise: restore volume, tighten skin, and improve fine lines and wrinkles. The therapy spa in Cary welcomed us into their spa to show us step-by-step how the facial is done.
It's very different than a Botox or a filler because it's more superficial. We're putting it onto the skin and then needling it deeper inside of the skin. But we're not going as far as, or as far deep as we would if we were to use Botox. It's natural, so anybody can have it done, and they wouldn't have to worry about or be concerned about allergies. Can I have you hold that for me right
Jennifer
here?
Torres, a medical esthetician with La Therapy, first draws the patient's blood. Then it's spun down to separate out the platelet-rich plasma. Next, the plasma is put on the patient's numbed face.
We place it on the skin as like a serum, and then we use this little tool right here to gently manipulate the skin and put teeny tiny proliferations inside the skin so that the plasma will penetrate deeper into the skin, and that is what creates the collagen stimulation.
The big question: what does it feel like? Remember, Wendy Brown's face was numbed before the treatment started.
It feels uncomfortable, but it doesn't hurt. I would say the more time goes by, the least you feel it because you get used to it.
The procedure does take at least an hour as Jennifer works on Wendy's entire face.
We do want to create inflammation, and that's going to be what helps that collagen be stimulated.
As far as recovery,
she might be a little bit irritated, red, possibly a little bit more puffy or inflamed within the next day or two. The more she has that, the better the results are going to be.
As for results, Maria says months after her treatment, she's still happy.
I felt my skin was a little smoother. The texture was like soft, smooth. The skin tone was even. And that made me really happy. The results were awesome to me.
PRP runs about $900 a treatment, and it's recommended you have it done 3 times for the best results. A big question: will insurance cover it? Typically no, since this is considered cosmetic, but besides the facials with PRP, it has been used for years in athletes. It helps to heal tendons and reduces pain. So.